Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. We are in the downhill race to July 31st for the end of Christmas in July. It has been such a fun month, and we've been building and assembling this Christmas planner, junk journal, December daily kind of mashup. We're almost, you could be done, but we're going to do a little bit more. And so today I'm going to do incorporate some inspiration from Base Pages PT hashtag at Paper Terrace from this month's collab. And I was a part of that collab. I did the first day, and it was the one sheet wonder pocket with all the flips. And then we've had some amazing creators do every day. So parts 8A and 8B incorporate the first 8 days of inspiration from that collab. Today's video is going to be 8C, and I'm just making it the same number because it's a page layout. And so we're going to try to do 4 in this one. And again, what I'm going to do is show you what we're doing. And below in the comments are, in the description, are all the videos, links, and the designer's channel so that you can check out what they did. But this is how they inspired me to incorporate their design onto my page. Each day had a prompt, and the first one is tuck. So we're gonna tuck. We're gonna create a tuck spot, which is a little more elaborate than just one little tuck. And we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do some more. So hope you all hang with me. Some of it I will speed up as I'm creating, just so that you're not having to watch me do the whole thing, which could end up being, like being 4 videos, but we're going to kind of reduce the time. Anyway, if you're interested, Christmas in July, linked below, enter the giveaway. The drawing is on the 31st. All right, let's go. All right, we are going to do a flip through later on, so I'm just going to scoot on over to the page that we're going to be working on today, and it's going to be this page. And we're going to do a tuck from at Scraps to Craft. The size sheet I'm going to be using is a 12-inch by 7.5 inch. And that's because my page needs it to fit. And then I'm going to score it 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and 9. At least that's what we're going to try. So I measured my page. We'll see if that works the way that I think in my head it will. So we're going to use this page. It is double-sided, which is what I wanted. And we're going to cut it to 7.5 first. And then we're going to go ahead and do the scoring and the folding. So just watch that. And here we go. All right, so I do want to give you the folds because it is a little bit confusing. So just so that you can see, this is the first fold. Then you have a tuck spot you're creating with a deeper fold. And then you're going to lay that over, and then you have this mountain. And then you're going to fold up on this one, which is a shorter, and then the last inch you're going to fold under because we want to have a nice edge to that. So then you're going to have a little tuck here, a little tuck there, and this tuck will be behind it all. I hope that makes sense. I'll go through folding it once more, and then we'll maybe I'll just do one more just so you can see how it works. so I've got all these tuck spots here ready for any kind of tag or journaling card, ephemera, just to tuck in here, pictures. This is really awesome, from scraps to craft. So this is the 7.5 portion. This is the other of the same 12 by 12 page. So pretty fun. All right, next. All right, our next page is going to go here, and this will be for day 10. And we are making a prompt removable, and that is going to be from Lynette at Cheaply Chic. So we're going to take our paper, and I'm going to cut it to 7.5 inches. Again, we're going to go with the same size we did on that other page. Seemed to fit really well. And then we're going to take it and we're going to cut it to, let's see, how wide did we want it? We want to cut it to 6.5. All right, I had to get the measurements for you. So this is 6.5, and we scored at 1 5/8, and then we flipped it around and scored it at 1 5/8 again. Removeable. You have this cute little tag holder pocket that is removable and jumpable. Anyway, you could put it on different ways. But thank you, Cheaply Chic, for the amazing inspiration. Day 11. All right, here we are for day 11, and this is the base pages. If you haven't seen it, I've shared it on my channel, but these are all the different creators, and this one today is this one, Madeline. This page layout, we're doing Madeline Det. I don't know if that's how you say it, Designs, Maddie. Anyway, she had this idea, and a tip-in is really basically a flip that you adhere to one side. And so what we're going to do is we're going to create a flip, and we're going to put a little pocket down here on this one, and we're going to carry this design on in. We tipped in a lot. This side, tip in, tip up. There we go. Really fun. And I've got these little clips, so probably we'll use them in different places just to hold things in place as we're finishing working on this journal and planner. And then whenever I go to use the planner, I probably will appreciate all the little clips. So one more to go. All right, folks, we're going with day 12. It is at Paper Terrace. Jessica created this interactive page. I'm going to give it a whirl. It is pretty beautiful how it works, if I can make it work the way that she did. So we need to start with a 10 by 10 sheet. And we'll just cut it here. And of course, you can embellish how you like. So well, I feel like I need a little more work on this interactive page. However, it's really cute, and I might not have everything that I need to make it look really cute, but it is what it is. So I used 2 ornaments along with ornaments back here, and you pull them through the little tucks, the little slit there, open it up, and then you have a couple of doors into the beautiful winter wonderland. And I think I could do a little more with it, but we're gonna just go with it from here and just refer you to Jessica's page to do her beautiful work. All right, so I'm gonna glue this in. This is day 12 of the collab. We're just going to put it right here in the middle of the page. I have my sheet here to identify the inspiration, again from Paper Terrace, Jessica. We're going to put that at the bottom of the page here. And we're going to put sticker day 12 up here. And so this will be day 12. And don't forget your trivia question. Oh my goodness, I have been running so much. Let's do trivia. All right, are you ready for your question? And let's see, what 2 comic strip siblings names form a title of a popular jazz piano tune written for a Charlie Brown Christmas? Okay, so you might not realize you know it. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Again, have a great day.